stop playing with him.
DEVINCI in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, DEVINCI. Today I'm here with the full face using wet makeup brushes. I really have somewhere to be in like 2 hours. I'm gonna use my Morphe M439 brush, and I guess I just dip it in the water. And I'm gonna just use my new NARS. Perhaps I should put it on my face. Oh! Oh my gosh, what a waste. You know how much this NARS is? So far so good. If you go on with like a light hand, it's like a watercolor painting. You know, you can't really go with the heavy hand. Otherwise you're gonna smear everywhere. But so far it actually doesn't look bad. So if I decide to go on with another coat, I just might. But I'm gonna dip my eyebrow brush. Do I have to dip my spoolie too? Interesting. I don't know. Let's do it. Okay. Interesting. We're gonna go in with our Anastasia brow pomade because this is extra. Making it actually a lot smoother to put on. I want to dip this spoolie back in the water though. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. Because I have a party to go to. I might be able to go to it. Oh, brows are a bit dark. I think I can go on with a bit more foundation. So I'm going to just dip it back on me. Just need a tad bit more coverage. Oh my god, okay. Then I gotta conceal my brows, good lord. We're gonna dip our Morphe M424 brush. These are NARS Biscuit. You gotta have a light hand. Oh my god. Alright, let's do our eyeshadow. We're gonna use our Subculture palette because I don't really use this palette, so if it gets fucked up, it's alright. I'm gonna go on with my Morphe M41 brush. Then I'm dipping it. I'm gonna go on with the shade New Wave because it's orange like the background. I think I am going to ruin this palette. This looks like paint. Oh my god, okay. This reminds me of like a paint pot, like a hell no. Let's pretend like I was Beyonce and I had to do this. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. This is interesting. Alright, we're going again with our Morphe G24 brush for some odd reason. Submerge that bad boy in the water. Oh my god. I'm gonna wet my finger. Oh, go on with the darn. Oh, I just ruined the shadow. Oh my gosh, but it's on my finger, so maybe it will work. Okay, and I cannot believe that this is working. We're gonna add some more of that fudge. I feel like this looks like someone's prom makeup. Alright y'all, we're gonna come back to these eyes. I want that face looking all terrible and shit. Okay, I'm gonna go on with my LA Girl concealer in the color medium beige. Overloaded highlight, I know. Are we gonna go on with a beauty blender or are we gonna go on with this wet brush? I'm really not trying to fuck myself up, but we only have a brush. Yeah. Otherwise, we can use an overly damp beauty blender. There we go. It's wet. It's just so wet. I think I'd rather use my, oh gosh. I'm really just saying a prayer right now in my head to myself. With the super wet beauty blender, it's like a mess. Okay, let's go in. Dip our brush back in, you know, we gotta snatch up these cheekbones. the same wet ass brush. Blender back in there. Okay. Yikes. What are we gonna... Okay. So for our whole face, we have... How to wipe off my face with this? I don't know if it's wiping it off. I mean, it's getting off my skin, but I don't know in a good way or a bad way. Okay. Okay. I don't know if this is wiping the makeup off my face, like as a whole, because I do see that the setting powder is leaving. I don't know if I want to ruin my powder. No. I gotta do it. Feel like a watercolor painting. Our Tarte blush. I might be able to go to the party like this, y'all. My makeup looks good. I don't even know how to breathe right now, but oh. See that? All right. Do you see what we got on our face right now? Because I think it looks damn good, okay? Because I actually have somewhere to be. And I really guess this is how I'm wearing my makeup. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.